Income tax. Income tax officer. Role and nature of work. An ITO is a Group B gazetted officer in the Income Tax Department under the Central Board of Direct Tax. They are mainly responsible for assessment of income tax returns filed by individuals and businesses. They ensure that taxpayers pay the correct amount of tax and deduct any evasion or concealment of income. They can conduct survey, raid and investigation if there are suspicion of tax evasion. Main duties: scrutiny and assessment of income tax returns, investigation of cases related to tax evasion, gathering intelligence and reporting to higher authorities, issuing notice, summons and carrying out inquiries, supervising inspectors and clerical staff, assisting in search and seizure operation, IT rights. Power: authority to demand document, records and accounts from taxpayers, can summon people from inquiry, can make assessment orders, can participate in search with authorities. Tax recovery officer. Role and nature of work. A TRO is also a Group B gazetted officer in the Income Tax Department. They are responsible for the recovery of tax dues from individuals or firms who fail to pay their assessed tax. They work under the second schedule of the Income Tax Act 1961, which gives them strong powers similar to those of a civil court. Main duties: identifying tax defaulters and ensuring recovery, attachment and action of defaulters' movable and immovable properties, issuing notice for recovery of dues, collecting arrears through salary attachment, bank account freezing or property seizure, supervising inspectors and staff in recovery work. Power to attach bank document, salary and property of defaulter. Power to auction property for tax recovery. Legal authority similar to a civil court judge for execution of recovery proceeding. Can summon people, take possession of property and enforce recovery. Inspector of income tax. Role and nature of work. An inspector of income tax is a Group C non-gazetted post, considered an entry-level officer in the department. They are the backbone of the filed work in taxation matters. They assist ITOs and TROs in assessment, recovery and searches. Main duties: conducting filed inquiries, verification of taxpayers' details, assisting ITOs in income tax assessment, assisting TROs in tax recovery operation, collecting intelligence on tax evasion, participating in search and raid operation, clerical supervision and office work. Nature of work: can be this job, assessment work or filed job, several inquiries, rights. Workload and nature depends on the section. Assessment, recovery, investigation, etc. Thank you.